Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. In my last video, we were watching how the price line of Coti was moving in a very big up channel, and at the same time, it also broke out the resistance of the down channel as well. Right now, we are dropped at the support of this up channel, and in today's video, we will analyze is there any possibility that the price line is going to start this big reversal move up to this resistance, or we are going to break down this support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis and let's take a look at this weekly live time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line is still moving in a very big up channel. It was entered in this channel here in March 2020, and so far the price line did not break down the support of this channel. We tested the support here in March 2020. Then we again tested the support here in October 2020. And again, after the drop of July 2021 from April to July. And then we are again testing the support right now after this support. And if we take a look at the stochastic is again entered the oversold zone. In the previous drops, we can see whenever the price line was dropping at the support, the stochastic was also entering the oversold zone here, and right now it is again entered the oversold zone once again. We are also having very nice support of this very small red line you can see appeared here. That is a 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. Before that, we had the support of this 50 simple moving average, but the price line has broken down the support. Now we have the support of this channel and also the support of this 100 weekly simple moving average. And we can also observe that every time the price line is, whenever it is dropping, it is finding some resistance levels. Like here it found a down channel, and here we found another resistance and formed a down channel and broke out the resistance. Even this was the falling wedge, not the down channel. And this time we can see, if we switch to the daily time frame, then previously we formed a down channel and we broke out the resistance of this down channel, and we were continuously we tested the support of the previous resistance as a support of this down channel, and also tested the support of the bigger up channel at the same time. If we switch to the weekly time frame chart back, then we can see that we have tested these two supports together. But now if we move back to the daily time frame, then here we have found another resistance, and I think we need to break out that resistance as well. And that resistance is coming from here. We have rejection here, we have rejection here, and we have so many rejections here as well. And this resistance is confirmed after the recent move of the price line. And after breaking out this resistance, the probability will be very increased to test this resistance of the big up channel. And for example, if we are going to test the resistance of this big up channel, that will be approximately here at $1.40. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.